play Clicky Tower with Rizzy. Say hi, Rizzy.
Hi.
Okay, so first one to make it to green wins, and the loser has a brutal punishment. The winner gets to choose. So let's get started. Let's go, come on.
Oh.
You're standing there. Okay,
Mama?
let's go.
Did you call me?
Let's go, guys.
So it's first one to where?
Green.
So that's over there. Okay. Seems simple enough.
I already have a head start. I'm already at orange. Never mind, I fell.
I just watched you fall. Anyways.
Guys, I'm really glitching out right now. Let's do this in first person.
Okay.
But if we want to go in whatever, the normal one, then we can, okay? So guys, I wanted to make this video again for the second person who watched the video that I already made, and I deleted it because it was a really depressing video. Did you think it was a little bit depressing, Ridhi?
I didn't watch it fully. I died, so I'm going right back to the start.
Okay. Bad for you, I just made it to orange.
Well, I was on orange, then I fell. Well, I didn't fall, I died. So,
Guys, we're gonna...
Can't I have a bone to pick with your fans? Or my fans? Why does my video have 400 views? My hide and seek video. We made the same video on hide and seek yesterday. Mine
Where
has
the
100% views. Hers has 9 or 7.
6,
So
7?
guys, what is the deal with you? Why are you not watching her video while watching mine?
She'll just not post then. Guys, gameplay pause. Just ignore it. Ignore it, guys. And I'm back at the start. Okay, guys, let's go. First one to make it to green wins. And I said green because I said the third level. You might be saying in the comments, Lagima, why not 5? Because I know for a fact white is really hard. Oh, Jordy's here. Glitch is here. Riddy's here. We made it.
Oh my god, bye.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go to chocolate. Oh my gosh, why did I fall for that? Why did I fall for that, guys?
Okay, I think that you saw a glitch in the monster.
Riddy is going to... I'm going to give you a sneak peek of my next video. So my next video is going to be about my craft box that I just got yesterday. And if you live in UK and you know what home bargain is, then you might have seen a craft box with a little white glue, little white bottle with white glue inside it. If you know what I'm talking about, then you will be ahead of the game, right?
Yeah.
And if you know, you could just type in the comments. if you can comment, because some of my videos, the comments don't work for some reason, right?
Mm-hmm.
I swear I on the comments when I upload a video, but they just gone off. My first Roblox video was a 99 Nights in the Forest because I really like
And it
that
was the
game.
second video ever.
And yesterday was bare fun, but when we play 99 Nights, it was 8 hard days. When I say that, they were traumatizing, right?
Mm-hmm.
They were actually so traumatizing. If you have to watch that, because that I died so many times. I was glitching out so much. The Ridley could see me, and she was literally walking in space at night time. Like, I don't know how that happened, right, Ridley?
Uh-huh.
It was a really weird experience. And comment
Yeah.
down below if you want us to do more 99 Nights in the Forest videos, because the 99 Nights is traumatizing for me.
It's not that bad.
It's not that bad. I love it. It's my favorite game in the whole wide world. But that was 8 traumatizing days. Like, really bad days.
And I
Right?
mean, the good word for that is chaotic.
Yeah. They
Am I
were,
green?
they were 8 traumatizing.
Did you not hear me?
We can't end the video right now. So let's
I just said I'm on
do
8.
the 5th level, which is
So the last level. Brown?
yeah, I think, I don't know.
Let me have a look from my point of view. It looks brown. So we're gonna say it's brown.
Okay. Are you sure it's not
Yeah,
orange?
so I kind of fell all the way down to orange, so I'm having to do white again.
Okay. Okay, guys, I'm going to be back when I'm at green health because I cannot pass this without dying. So I'll be back when
I can
I'm
see you,
at
I'm above
green
you.
health. Okay, guys, I'm back. I have a little bit more health now. I think we can cross this now. Let's go. Hoo. Okay, we did it. Woo. How much corn candy do you have?
Candy corn.
Yeah,
190?
I got 300.
Actually, what?
Yeah, 300. I got
Guys,
310 now.
oh my god, I just fell all the way to the bottom.
I'm at white. And
Well, I got
why
to
did you
green.
say that? Why did you say that? Why did you say that? Once you said that, I just died and I went back to the start. Guys, I made so much progress.
Technically, I'm still in the lead since I got to green.
I know. Guys, I keep missing my
But
jump button. Then I fall. And then I have to restart. And then I won't win. And then I'll have the brutal punishment chosen by the winner or you guys. Oh, hello. Never mind. Bye.
bye.
Because I fell. This is... What shall the loser do?
Maybe the loser should have to make a very silly, goofy video of them.
Yeah. Make a really, really embarrassing dance. And then post it. and the other
the
person
winner
is
can
going
make
to be
the
there.
dance.
Huh?
The
It's
winner
going
can
to
make
be the
the dance.
most embarrassing trendy dance. Comment down below if you can. If you can. What
So comment down below if
dance?
you think.
If you
Comment down
think,
below if you think that the comments should make the video. I mean the dance, or the winner has to make the dance.
yup.
Because according to me,
Oh my gosh,
every
oh my
winner
gosh, oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see this with you, but my health was just a thin line. Thin line of red.
Oh yeah, that happened. I'm on Warcraft
Huh?
5.
What color are you on right now?
I just fell from white, but I'm going back up to white.
And
Yeah,
I
I'm
just,
on white now.
why did I ask that? 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 Because I just went to the start again. Okay, I'm just gonna shut my mouth. Really can do some of the talking. Oh, this is going to be
I can do what?
I'm just gonna shut my mouth for a bit
Hello?
because every time I say that, what color are you on? I fell. I literally fall. So I'm gonna shut my mouth and Rizzy can do the
You just
talking
said
for a
what
bit.
color are you on right now?
Yeah, and then I fell back to the start. So what I'm going to do is shut my mouth for a bit and let Rizzy do all the talking for a
How
bit.
am I still in the lead? How am I still ahead of you?
I actually do not know. Okay, guys. If
If you guys think that this game is awesome, comment down below. Or if you guys think
Oh my
if you think this
gosh,
game is
guys,
awesome,
you see this? I disconnected. Okay, let's reconnect, guys. Just reconnect. I'll be back in a bit. Okay, guys, I'm back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Oh my gosh, bro. Guys, I'll be back when I'm at white because this is gonna take a while. Okay, guys, I'm back. I kind of forgot. I forgot
Oh my god.
that I paused the
My
video.
tablet is running out of charging.
So I'm not on white yet, but because I fell. Sorry about that. This person's lagging. So let's go.
My tablet is running out of charging.
Oh, Rizzy's tablet ran out of charging. What a surprise. What a shock. What the? Oh my gosh, bro.
Can we do something else? Let's play something else.
No, so,
I'm
no.
the winner.
No. The first one to get to brown, so no one wins.
Well, I got the furthest since I got to green.
So no one wins because the bet was at brown.
Okay.
Comment down below
Anyways,
who
the
you
video.
think won and lose. No, don't forget to hit that big fat like and subscribe button. Bye.